Today let's talk about some technology facts that they probably didn't teach you in school. Ready for some fun? The first use of electricity. Turns out, ancient Egyptians might have used electric fish to treat pain, recorded on stone dating back to 2750 BC. How about the Leyden jar, invented in 1745? This was used in public demonstrations where participants formed human chains to feel the shock, illustrating the power of stored static electricity. Tesla had some wireless power going a while back. Nikola Tesla demonstrated wireless transmission of electrical energy in 1891, proposing a system for transmitting power without wires on a global scale. The first voice transmission over radio. It happened in 1900. A guy named Reginald Fessenden made the first wireless transmission of the human voice, predating AM radio broadcasting. The first digital computer. The ABC Atanasoff Berry computer, completed in 1942, was the first electronic digital computer. How about the first video game on an oscilloscope? In 1958, William Higginbotham created what is considered the first video game. It displayed an oscilloscope and was used to entertain visitors at the Brookhaven National Laboratory. Anybody know how the microwave was invented? It was not intentional. Percy Spencer accidentally discovered microwave cooking in 1945 when a candy bar melted in his pocket while standing near radar equipment. Solar cells in space? The first practical application of photovoltaics was in 1958 for powering satellites in space. The mobile phone, inspired by Star Trek. Martin Cooper, who led the team that developed the first handheld mobile phone in 1973, was inspired by the communicator device used in Star Trek. Why do we call it a computer bug? Well, in 1947, a real moth was found, causing issues in the Harvard Mark II computer, coining the term computer bug. The first practical electric car was around quite a while ago. William Morrison built the first successful EV in the US in 1891, long before the recent resurgence of interest in electric cars. Funny story about the laser. The first functional laser, invented by Theodore Maiman in 1960, was actually described as a solution looking for a problem. Why? Because it had no planned practical application. How about the first electric traffic light? Installed in Cleveland, Ohio in 1914, the first electric traffic light used red and green lights and was a simple two-color system without a yellow light.